Hello guys, how are you? Let's start. In this video we are going to talk about how to install DeepSeek-R1 in Ubuntu 24.04. So let's I have here my terminal. It's open and here a PDF that I created with my. Let's see where is the PDF here. So first we have to download the Python software, Git software, and first and foremost we have to check if we have already everything updated also or not. Let's enter password. After entering password, let's wait a bit. Let's see what is happening here. I have too much things on my laptop, so it will take a time. Yeah, it's done. So no problem here. Let's see what we have here. Ubuntu likely comes with Python pre-installed. So let's just check if we have in Ubuntu Python software. It's already installed, nothing to update. So let's check the version also. Copy, paste. We have 3.12.3. It's good. First we have to install the pip. PIP is the package manager for Python and which is important for Llama and also the DeepSeek-R1. Let's see if it's already installed in my laptop, but wait because maybe your laptop doesn't have it, so it will take some time. Okay, next is we have to install Git. Not every laptops have the Git software. We are installing it. Let's see, mine is already installed because I have installed it a while ago. And next is Llama. I have already downloaded the Llama app. We have to do this. It's already installed, so it will eventually be at last. This is doing something, but I don't need it. Let's cut this. Don't worry, this will not show on your because you don't have Llama and you have to download it from the starting. If you have Llama already installed, you have to do what? You have to get rid of it, either remove. I already have Llama, so let's see what is it. I'm checking the version here. Let's talk about how we are downloading. Llama is the software which downloads the preloaded models of local AI, and we are downloading here the local AI named DeepSeek-R1. I have made this PDF and this will be in the description. I don't have to worry about it. And these commands I'm running, you have to run it, and maybe you will get the downloading things. I won't get it because mine's already installed, and you can either download here R1 7 billion model parameters and Llama also DeepSeek-R1 1.5 billions. I have already installed this one because my computer is not so high-end, but I think yours also. This is the second time I'm running this because this is already in my, but you have to wait patiently. You have to wait very patiently because this will take time to download if you are downloading the 7 billion parameters model, because that will be too big file, 4.7 GBs, and this file is already 1.1 GB, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have a fast internet, this will download very fast. And let's run this command also, so we will see what is there in Llama. So you can see DeepSeek-R1 1.5 billion. All of this will take some time. You have to wait because you don't have downloaded, you do not have pre-downloaded it. Okay, and if you just want to start talking to this, you can just do it here, and you can start talking. What is the capital of Beijing? Oh, sorry, China. Let's say I'm not from China also. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, think. This is thinking also. The capital of China is Beijing. This one's fast, but it can be more faster. Don't worry. So everyone does this, but I'm doing something different here. Let's see what. Can we download it and use it as an app? Because we will, that will be easy for the developers to copy paste, and how what kind of Python and HTML, and also many kinds of file that we can ask from ChatGPT and we can get from the DeepSeek-R1. So in the copy paste format, you have to first do this: sudo apt install python 3 venv. This will start downloading some packages, but I have already installed, so this won't take time for me, but for you it will take time. And after that we can start our server. Remember, these steps are crucial. Every step is crucial. So when downloading these things, you have to wait patiently, and you have to not miss any of the commands, because if you will miss one, that won't happen then. See here, what is here? Open web UI VNV and source open web UI VNV been activate. This is activated, and I have already created the virtual environment to install. Take it. Okay, so now we can install the pip install open web UI. Yeah, if we paste it here and start, it will do more. No, this one's not. Let's go back. You have to do this. I am not doing this because I have already done this, and this will take too much time. You have to be very patient to do this, because this one's going to open web UI install, and this will take time, and also you have to get more storage for this. If you have enough storage, I think it's like 4 to 5 GB, then it's good to go. Let's see. Open web UI serve. Now we are starting the server. Here it's done mostly, and this will create a server, and we can open it in our open web UI. It's installed, and this will start the server, so we can do it now. Yeah, here, open link. Now this is our server. First you will get an admin login. You have to log in first. Personalization accounts. You see I have my accounts, but you have to do it yourself. So let's see how to create an HTTP